In this video, we are going to solve this problem. A light ray falls on one of the surfaces of a prism at an angle 40 degrees so that it suffers angle of minimum deviation of 30 degrees. Then, find the angle of prism and angle of refraction at the given surface. Now let us solve this problem. To understand this problem, we'll take a prism and see what is angle of minimum deviation and angle of prism and angle of incidence. This is the angle of the prism which we are required to find out. Here the angle of minimum deviation is given in the problem, which is equal to 30 degrees. And this is angle of emergence and this is the incident angle. Now we know that A plus D by 2 is equal to angle of incidence I. That means A plus D is equal to 2I. And also we know that A by 2 is equal to R. R is the angle of refraction. From these two equations, this is 1 and this is 2. We can find out the value of A and the angle of refraction from A. Now let us solve this problem. Here angle of incidence is given as 40 degrees. So I am writing I is equal to 40 degrees. And also D is given as 30 degrees. Now let us substitute these values in equation 1. What will I get? Instead of A, I am writing A only because I have to find out the value of A. Now D value is 30 degrees, which is equal to 2 into I value is 40 degrees. 2 into 40 is equal to 80 degrees. That means A plus 30 degrees is equal to 80 degrees. That means A is equal to 80 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is equal to 50 degrees. So I am writing here A is equal to 50 degrees. Now what are we required to find? First we have found angle of the prism. Then angle of refraction is required. From this equation we know that angle of refraction R is equal to angle of the prism by 2. So 50 divided by 2, which is equal to 25 degrees. So we got angle of refraction equal to 25 degrees. So the answer is angle of prism A is equal to 50 degrees and the angle of refraction R is equal to 25 degrees. Now in our next video we'll learn more about prism and refraction of light on the prism.